Today's PC build equipped with a Ryzen 77700X CPU, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 Super GPU, 32GB of 5200 MHz RAM, and a 1TB NVMe SSD proves to be an excellent choice for our architect client. Here's an in-depth review of how each component performs for tasks typically encountered in architectural work. Let's start with the processor first. The Ryzen 77700X, built on AMD's Zen 4 architecture, delivers significant performance improvements with 8 cores and 16 threads, excelling in both single-threaded and multi-threaded tasks. Its Cinebench R23 multi-core score of around 19,000 highlights its effectiveness in rendering engines like Blender and V-Ray, while a single-core score of about 2,000 showcases strong performance for single-threaded applications like CAD software. This CPU is well-suited for a variety of architectural applications. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 Super GPU, built on Ada Lovelace architecture, features 7,168 CUDA cores, a base clock of 1.98 GHz, a boost clock of 2.48 GHz, and 12 GB of GDDR6X VRAM. It includes 82 ray tracing cores, 568 tensor cores, a 192-bit memory interface, and a 220-watt TDP with 1 HDMI 2.1 and 3 DisplayPort connectors. Its Blender 4.0 GPU benchmark score of 5,949 demonstrates strong performance in high-end gaming and professional applications, particularly in real-time visualization and rendering tasks. Supporting ray tracing and DLSS, the RTX 4070 Super GPU excels in architectural visualizations and complex 3D work. This build includes 32 GB of 5,200 MHz DDR5 dual-channel memory, providing high speed and capacity for demanding applications like AutoCAD, Revit, and 3ds Max. The 5,200 MHz speed offers around 41.6 GB per second bandwidth, significantly improving system responsiveness and multitasking capabilities. This large memory capacity ensures efficient handling of high-resolution textures and complex models in rendering software like V-Ray, Lumion, and Blender. For storage in this build, we have included a 1TB WD Blue SN580 NVMe SSD from Western Digital, offering ample storage for your OS and files. With PCIe Gen 4 technology and speeds up to 4,150 megabytes per second, it ensures rapid application launches, fast content loading, and efficient editing, thanks to Ncache 4 technology for a more responsive workflow. For the power supply unit, we've chosen the Deepcool's 750 watts 80+ bronze-rated PSU. This unit delivers reliable and efficient power, essential for high-performance PCs. The 750 watts capacity, coupled with 80+ certification, ensures stable and efficient power delivery, crucial for maintaining system stability, especially in high-performance or overclocked systems like this one. Now to the cooler. For cooling, we have selected the Deepcool's 240mm all-in-one liquid cooler. Its 240mm radiator offers excellent cooling capacity for high-performance CPUs, while two 120mm ARGB PWM fans enhance heat dissipation and provide customizable RGB lighting. This solution effectively manages the Ryzen 77700X's thermal output, ensuring stable performance during demanding tasks. Finally, this build is housed in the Coco Sports Rampage 5000D, a high-performance mid-tower case designed to balance functionality, cooling, and aesthetics. The Rampage 5000D features a spacious interior with excellent airflow capabilities and ample room for components. It includes multiple fan mounts and cable management options to ensure an organized and efficient build. This case is well-suited for high-performance systems, providing the necessary cooling and expandability to support demanding configurations. In conclusion, this PC build is ideal for architectural work, featuring a powerful CPU and GPU, fast RAM, and ample storage for 3D modeling and rendering. While the Ryzen 7 7700X and Intel Core i7-14700K are both excellent choices, we opted for the 7700X for its future compatibility and upgrade potential. The Ryzen 7700X offers a solid balance of performance and longevity, making it a great investment for long-term use. However, it's worth noting that the i7-14700K is approximately 15% more powerful than the 7700X, which might sway some users who prioritize raw performance over future-proofing. Ultimately, the decision comes down to whether you value upgradability and platform longevity or are seeking the highest possible performance right now. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech reviews and builds. Drop your comments below if you have any questions or need further recommendations. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.